Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now this case is made by Ringke. Let's go ahead and get started, take a look at it. Now this is the Ringke Fusion case compatible with iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the hard clear back. This is the black bumper version, smoke colored, smoke black. And this is for the iPhone 12 Pro, $899. iPhone 12 Pro Max. So it's a good price, under 10 bucks. And it's an Amazon choice, so it's got good ratings. I've used these before. They're pretty good, you know, and I like the fit and finish of the case. We're going to take a look at it and see what it's all about. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, so this is the Ringke package, eco-friendly package, pretty simple. They use a lot of plastic, so we'll just tear this open. And Ringke has these cards in there for accessories, tells you how to put it on. There's some plastic inside that we'll take off. But here's the case. It's got that smoke bumper area. Camera is raised in area right there. And the corners have a little bit of, well, the whole back actually has a little bit of a raised area on the back, okay? Actually, no, it doesn't. So this kind of rises up on the corner right here. So that's going to help keep the back off the surfaces, all right? So that's pretty cool. And you got your opening for your charging port and your speakers right there. Got a lanyard open right there. Volume up and down rocker and the mute switch. Nothing else up there. You got some reinforced corners there. You can see that on the inside, so that's pretty cool. And you got another lanyard open right there. And the Ringke Fusion branding right there. It's hard to see, but it's right there. But other than that, it's pretty minimal case. Let's go ahead and put this on a device and see what it looks like. Okay, we got the iPhone 12 Pro Max right here. We're gonna go ahead and put it inside, see what this looks like. All right, so far it's a nice fit right there. Nothing moving around, not loose on the sides or anything like that. You see the camera is well protected. Not gonna have any problem with that. And you got those little corners on the side of the case as well. So that's pretty cool. And it's got some grip. It's not slippery. The back is not slippery, so you're gonna be good there. Buttons work well. Everything lines up on the bottom. All the ports right there. You can see that. Okay. And you can get to the mute switch pretty easily there. Volume down rocker. And on the front, you got some lip on the front. See, that's raised up a little bit right there, slightly raised up, real subtle raise up right there. So that's pretty good. Sort of, you know, that's going to help with protecting the screen on the front. So they did this pretty nicely, okay? And it fits those flat sides real well. So this is good. Not too much bulk, not any bulk on the phone, because you got good grip and you got some good scratch protection, all right? Good looking case right here. I would recommend this one if you are looking for a nice minimal case with decent protection, okay? You're not gonna be able to throw this across the room, but it'll definitely take care of minor drops from waist down and stuff like that. Now let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. Let's see what it's doing there. Okay, so it picks up wireless charge. I saw it come on, so it's charging right there. You can't see that, but it did make the sound right there. Let me do that again, see if it pops up anything. It doesn't show. So it's charging right there. There we go. So it is working. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Ringke Fusion case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I think it's a good case. Used them before. I think you'll like this one. Good price as well. And again, I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.